Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am here for you with new videos. I am introducing with such a beautiful and stunning centerpieces ideas about Christmas. As we know the Christmas is coming soon and everyone is waiting for the beautiful occasion. The Christians were very excited to celebrate their beautiful occasion and they were enjoy and celebrate their beautiful festival with joys and happiness. They were very excited. So my dear viewers, my videos are specially for my all dear viewers who are waiting for my videos. In this video you will see such a unique ideas. All the centerpieces and all the ideas are very colorful, attractive and so adorable. So watch the video till end. Hope so this video is must helpful for your home decor and your home is and you decor their home with these such a beautiful and unique pieces. So my dear viewers, keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing update. Please share my videos with your family and friends. So my dear viewers, have a wonderful day.